Welcome to Vocab Mount Day 4. This is Wam here. In today's video, you will learn 10 useful vocab with their meanings, synonyms, antonyms, and examples. So, let's start. Our first word is tribute, meaning something said, done, or given to show respect, gratitude, or admiration. यानी किसी को सम्मान देना या श्रद्धांजलि देना. Synonym homage and honor. Antonym disrespect and insult. Example that we can use: the nation paid tribute to the brave soldiers. Next one is resisted, meaning refuse to accept or try to stop something by force. Synonym opposed and withstood. Antonym accepted, submitted, and yielded. How we can use: the people resisted the unfair rule of king. Next one is atrocities, extremely cruel or violent act, यानी अत्याचार, क्रूर कृत्य. Synonym है brutalities, cruelties, and antonyms are compassion and humanity. How we can use: the war led to many atrocities against innocent people. Next one is horrors, meaning things that cause great fear, shock or disgust, भयावह घटनाएं. Synonym इसका है terror and fright. Antonym pleasure and delight. We can use this as the survivor described the horror of the war. Next one is disconcerting, meaning causing someone to feel uneasy, confused or worried, यानी परेशान करने वाला. Synonym है इसका disturbing and unsettling. Antonym है comforting, reassuring. Example: the sudden silence in the room was disconcerting. Next one is eternal, lasting forever without an end, यानी जो अनंत है, जो शाश्वत है. Synonym इसका होगा everlasting, endless, infinite. Antonym है temporary and finite. We can use this as people believe that love can be eternal. Also, we can say our soul is eternal. The next one is bore, a person or thing that makes other people feel uninterested or tired. उबाऊ व्यक्ति. Synonym इसका है dull person and tiresome person. Anonym है entertainer, amusing person or interesting person. We can use as the long and repetitive speech was a real bore, or the student feel the class was so bored. Now, next one is bygone, meaning belonging to an earlier time. Belonging to an earlier time, बीता हुआ या गुजरा हुआ. Synonym इसका होगा former and past. Antonym होगा present, future, etc. We can use this as they talked about the bygone days of their childhood. Next one is ashley, meaning a passage between rows of seats or shelves, यानी गलियारा. Synonym इसका है passage and corridor. Antonym blockage, barrier. We can use this as the flight attendant walked down the aisles of the airplane. The next one is, that is last one, terrible, extremely bad, unpleasant और serious, भयानक. Synonym है awful, horrible. Anonym, wonderful, excellent. The city faced terrible flooding after heavy rain. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with friends who are still in trouble. And remember, keep trying, keep learning, and trust yourself. See you in the next video.